I got to know this from our company because I am UTAR staff. So they distribute the posters to us. So and then my HOD actually nominated me to join this program, and I find it so interesting that I'm lucky to be nominated to join this program. Actually, that's what I felt.
This is a very exciting event. There's people coming from all over and with very different experiences with AI. And so we were able to bring them together and have conversations and talk about research and AI and reinforcement learning. And I think everyone's learning something and they're getting more excited. And I really like to see that. I like to see people engage with the ideas and see how it could be important for them.
Really nice people, really welcoming. This is my first time and I visited Kuala Lumpur, a really vibrant city, really modern, futuristic and everything. You can find anything that you'll need accommodation-wise. There's a lot of good food. It's been a really good experience overall.
Yeah, I'm really excited to participate in the event. We are teaching reinforcement learning. We're hearing about cutting-edge research in reinforcement learning. And it's also good to meet leading researchers in this area. I'm very happy to participate coming from Singapore.
Yeah, it's so wonderfully organized. I'm very proud also of how good the students at the UTAR University are. For example, for my lecture, I had 3 undergrads from the university help me prepare the lab part of my lectures, and they were just outstanding. They got work done very fast, so everyone is very nice. I'm really happy to be here.
This is my first time in this event, but I think it's very useful. I mean, I look at the schedule, there's a lot of much more prominent speakers over here. I mean, in your day ones, you have the Turing Awards as the opening. I think this is a great event. I mean, for those out there who have not joined this before, I'll strongly encourage you to join the next series and look forward to see you all again.